Alright, I'm heading up to a dump. You can see all this water. I found a lot of arrowheads in the last 48 hours walking cornfields. It's basically all no-till. Well, they plow it sometimes, but very little. And when you get heavy rains on that no-till, it really erodes the ground. And the stuff's in pretty good shape. That's when I'll look fields after real heavy rains, and we've got it. But I'm gonna go up and surface hunt the dump. I'll get back when I get there and do a little digging, see if I can't get some more finds. Later, fig. All right, I'm up at the dump. You can see it's rained on all this, and this is when I like to surface hunt. But I got something right here, and I got a marble over there farther. Huh? It's a little fox. I'm not sure. That's kind of cool. I'll clean it up. It's just laying out. Little fox. First find. And then over here, set my glove down because I looked at it once and then I couldn't find it, but I got a nice marble right here. You can see it. Ooh, it's nice. It's got like a big clear blue spot on one side. That's a cool one. Look at that. It's a pretty nice one. But I'll get back if I see anything else. This looks, look at it's all eroded off like you'd want to see in a cornfield. It's hard to tell what I'll find laying out. I'll get back on my next find. Later. You can see that the next break off of it. Wheeling, West Virginia. That stinks. But I just got one of these. It says Mount Savage Stokers, or I'm gonna take that. If you watch my videos, you know I take all these bricks with the lettering on them. Later. Alright, this would have been an absolute day maker. It says Spooners on it. You can see there. And on the back it says Frowns Furniture and Appliance, Salem, Ohio. It's a little ashtray like dish. Oh, that's too bad. Would have been a day maker. Look at that. Frowns Furniture and Appliance, Salem, Ohio. And man, that's old. That's awesome. It's too bad it's broke. Later. Just raked. I'm working back in. I'm skirting a hole. It's pretty muddy, but I can still look. Just raked this out. That's probably off some kind of a Mark's playset. It's some kind of like a cannon, and it still swivels. Look at that. It's a gun emplacement with the shells right by it. That is cool. Very cool. Man, folks, I just got at least a week maker. I saw it flash, and it's got embossing all on the other side. And look at this old cork. I got a place, you can see, raked all this stuff out of here. I had to cut through all them roots. And man, I got a day maker. I hope this ain't all cracked up. Let's wipe off the back and see if there's cracks. Oh, there ain't. And look at this. Oh, folks. Oh my God. Oh, this is one of the coolest bottles I've ever found up here. Oh no. McCormick and Company, B brand. MFG Chemists, Baltimore, Maryland. Look, it's got a B on it. Let me wipe. Oh, this bottle was awesome, and I don't see any cracks or nothing. Oh, folks. Oh, folks, it's perfect. Look at this bottle. Look at this bottle. A big embossed B. Oh, this is so nice. This is so nice. I'm gonna give this to my dad for his artifact dream. This is just a showstopper. This is almost as nice as one of them Crocs. This is just awesome, folks. Wow. I'll put up nice pictures. This is a month maker. Later. got a pretty cool ashtray. It's right here. You can see right there is where the cigarettes laid on it. I'll have to get it cleaned up. It's all there. It's a pretty nice old one. It's real heavy leaded crystal. So there's another find. I also got this. I'm going to take it because I like the graphic. It's Lone Star paint thinner. It's kind of western theme with the Lone Star, and it's got that star in it. I'm going to take it. It's old and it's pretty nice. Put a cap on it and clean it all up. It'll look good on a shelf. Alright, I'm back. It's been a while since I found anything. I've been moving overburden, but I got my first marble. It's hard to see them when it's muddy like this. It's not as good it's not as dry, but I got a blue cat eye. Looks like it has lighter blue in it too, so it's a two-color one. Not bad. Later. You can see it down in here, but there's a marble right there way down in this hole I saw it roll out. Looks like a nice one. Ooh, it's an alley agate. Ooh, it's pretty. Look at this one. It's got light, like bluish turquoise swirls in it. It's nice. It's only my second marble of the day, but that's a good one. I'll show pictures later in the video. Man, I'm doing all right for the bad conditions. There's mosquitoes everywhere, and the ground's soaked. It's been raining for days. This was a big cork bottle, or a Clorox bottle when I raked it out, but it is not. It's a big cork top, brown glass, like chemical bottle, and that is very nice. Look awesome on the shelf. Like these old cork tops. That's a good find. Well, anyway, it's huge. Look at it. Later, I got this stuff. See, I got a couple blue glasses. I got that Arrowhead thing. That's cool because I collect Arrowheads. Anything like that I'm all about. But I'm not doing bad. I got a few marbles and stuff too. But that McCormick bottle with a B on it's the best find so far. I don't know how long I'm going to stay. There's mosquitoes everywhere. Later. Alright, you can see there's a big cork top whiskey, a nice sunspot. It's going to clean up nice, and it's a textured bottle. But I just got a Marks Indian. I'd say this is Marks, and he's all there. He's very cool. He's got a war shield. Looks like it has stuff on it. Wow, very cool. Love it. Later, folks. I'll clean it up, show pictures. That's a shame, isn't it? Look at that cobalt salt glaze with cobalt blue designs on it. It's hard to tell. It was a small little thing. Oh, that's too bad. It probably said something on it. Later, fake. Look at this Carling Black Label beer. Carling Brewing Company from Cleveland, Ohio. It's a keg tap, an old one. Probably from around World War II or a little after the 50s. That's cool. I'm going to take it. Alright, I raked all this stuff right in here and dug a little bit, and I got some pretty cool stuff. That McCormick chemist bottle with the B on it's the find of the day. That's awesome. I love it. Get him and get it cleaned up. Got enough for a video. Hope you enjoyed. I got a whole bag full of stuff. I'll come back here in a few days or so. Maybe take a couple days off. Later. Alright, I'm out in a sea of corn. You can see here I'm walking these rows, but there's dirt. And this is what I found so far, but I got something at my feet. Got two, here, let me fix this camera. Got 2 points that are damaged. I didn't film them. They were just laying flat out after these rains. This one's got a tip ding. and so does this one, and they're both probably woodland points, and they're crude kind of little stemmed like type deals. This might be some kind of hopewell, like a small Snyder type deal, I don't know. It kind of looks it, but there's flint ridge flint all over the place. These are just a few of the pieces I pulled out of my pocket. Most of it's filthy. I got it in, it's got a bunch of dirt on it, but I got something down here at my feet. Let me get this stuff in my pocket. There's all kinds of flint in this area of this field. I'm on a little knoll. It's a big field. I had trouble navigating where I was at out in this corn. I couldn't really tell where I was at, but I wanted to get out to this spot and look. But you can see right here's a flake. See if you can see, there's a little flake of real nice flint ridge, or that might even be Carter Cave. I saw another flake. Where's it at? Over here. There's a flake right here. It's a real nice pinkish orange material. It's probably Carter Cave. But right here, look at this. This looks like a tip here. It's definitely something worked, I can tell. I don't know what it is. This is just how I saw it. Oh, folks. Let me wipe this off. Oh, that's all there. That's an Adena. That's pretty nice. Here, let me turn this off and get this wiped off, and I'll be back. It's miserable today. Later. Alright, I'm back. That's a Carter Cave Adena. Some kind of woodland thing. It's kind of a weird base, but some kind of stemmed Adena. That's really nice. Yeah, I've been out here a while. This is well worth it. That has to be right around 4 inches. Whew, man, there's not a nick in that. Real nice work on the edge. It's got like a little spur there on the base. It's not ground at all. But man, that's a quality piece. Oh, it's got some translucency around the edges. It's overcast today big time. I don't know if you can see that. It's gonna be translucent. It's more than a little. Wow, that's nice. That's definitely Carter Cave too. I'm in Washington County, Ohio today, looking at well, it's not a small field. I'd say it's about 6 acres, but there's only one spot of the field that's real good, and it's out where I'm at. I'm on like a little knob with a flat top on it. It might even be some kind of a mound, I don't know. But this place hasn't been plowed for years. It got plowed 2 years ago, and it's a lot of gravel and sandy type soil. It's real nice soil. But this hard rain, I can see water puddles up there ahead of me. I'm gonna do some more looking. I mostly find woodland stuff in this field, but in Fort Ancient, like Mississippian type stuff. But man, that's a good find for me today. If I can get home soon enough and it stops completely raining, I'm gonna go digging on a dump. So maybe I'll get more footage in this later. Alright, I'm back. You can see I'm on the downslope of the rise in the field, and it's rained this much. Look at the rows, but it's a lot of erosion today. I have listened to all that flint in my pocket. It was worth coming here for sure. But I got a tip of one sticking out down here. Don't know what it is. I haven't touched it, but it's a nice tip. I'll put it down on it here. It's right there. See what we got. Oh, it's all there. I thought it was just a tip. It's a little Fort Ancient or Mississippian triangle. Man, it's real nice. Hold on, let me wipe this off in my shirt here. It's really nasty. I'm all muddy. My clothes are filthy. I'm worse than the dump. Oh man, this is pretty nice. Look at this. That's not damaged, that's where it was sharpened in. Man, that's a nice thin little point. It's a triangular. I guess that would be a Madison maybe. It almost looks like the Mississippian knife form with the base and sharpened in, but I'd say it's just a sharpened in projectile. It would be probably larger if it was a knife. It looks like kind of maybe hornstone. I can't tell. It might be a river pebble chert. I'm right by the river in Washington County, Ohio, looking in a field. But that's a pretty nice point. I bet you that's translucent. Oh man, look at that, folks. It's like a smoky material. It's real translucent. That's nice. That's real nice. Huh. Well, I've got 2 broken points, a big Adena and a Fort Ancient point. I've been here about an hour and 20 minutes too. That ain't bad. Well, anyway, folks, I'll get back at you later.